Hi mga igala, I'm gonna bring you behind the scenes and I'm going to teach you some Bisaya sentences. Most of these are action words. Okay, now let's start. Nang limpyo si Judy. Nang limpyo si Judy. Judy is cleaning. Nang limpyo is cleaning. Nang limpyo si Judy. Judy is cleaning. Nag-unsa si Judy? What is Judy doing? Nag-unsa si Judy? What is she doing? Okay, what is Judy doing? Nang limpyo si Judy. Judy is cleaning. Gialsa ni Judy ang makina. Gialsa ni Judy ang makina. Judy is carrying the machine. Gialsa is carrying. So this can also be ongoing. So normally the prefix gi happened in the past, but sometimes it is also used while the action is still ongoing, like this one. Okay? Makina is machine. Gipamalhin niya ang mga butang sa kilid. Gipamalhin niya ang mga butang sa kilid. She moved the things to the side. Okay? Gipamalhin means moved or transferred. This is another verb conjugation of balhin. The root word here is balhin. That means transfer or move. So gipamalhin, that means she is doing a lot of moving of things. Okay? Ang mga butang, the things, sa kilid, to the side. Kilid is side. So when you say sa kilid, it means to the side. Giguyod niya ang lamesa. Giguyod niya ang lamesa. She's dragging the table. Giguyod means dragging. Niya is she or her. Ang lamesa, the table. Lamesa is table. Naglibog siya unsay iyang sunod buhaton. Naglibog siya unsay iyang sunod buhaton. She's confused on what to do next. Naglibog is confused. Siya is he or she. Unsa is what. Iyang is, this one is implied that we are referring to me, okay? She, you are referring to she. Sunod is next. Buhaton is to do. Sunod buhaton means what to do next. Gipadaplin niya ang karton. Gipadaplin niya ang karton. Gibutang niya ibabaw sa katre. Gibutang niya ibabaw sa katre. She put the cardbox sheet to the side. She put it on the bed. Gipadaplin means to put to the side. Okay? Ang karton means the cardbox sheet. Gibutang is to put. Ibabaw is on top. Sa katre means the bed. When you say katre, it could mean the bed or the bed frame. Okay? Nang hapnig siya sa mga recycled plastic wrappers. Nang hapnig siya sa mga recycled plastic wrappers. She's arranging the recycled plastic wrappers. Nang hapnig is arranging, okay? Or organizing. Siya is he or she. Sa mga is sa mga recycled plastic wrappers. The recycled plastic wrappers. Gibalhin niya ang mga studio lights. She transferred the studio lights. Gibalhin means transferred or moved. Niya is he or she. Ang mga studio lights. The studio lights. Gibutang niya ang envelope sa drawer. She put the envelope in the drawer. Gibutang means to put. Niya, he or she. Ang envelope is the envelope. Sa drawer, in the drawer. Gibutang niya ang laminator ibabaw sa estante. She put the laminator on the shelf. Gibutang, again, is to put. Niya, she, laminator, we know that. Ibabaw sa estante. Ibabaw is on top or on. Sa estante means the shelf. Estante is shelf. Gibalhin niya ang mga libro ibabaw sa estante. She transferred the books on top of the shelf. Gibalhin is transferred. Niya is she or he. Ang mga libro, the books. Ibabaw is on top. Sa estante, the shelf. Ibabaw sa estante means on top of the shelf. Gibalhin niya ang silhig ug ang daspan. Gibalhin niya ang silhig ug ang daspan. She transferred the broom and dustpan. Gibalhin means transferred or moved. Niya is he or she. Silhig is broom. And og is and. Daspan is daspan. These are the words that we learned from this video. Gibalhin means transferred or moved. Gibutang is to put or put. Giguyod, dragging or dragged. Gisibog, to move to the side. Gisulod, to move inside or to put inside. Ibabaw is on or on top. Estante is shelf. Ilalom is under. Butang is things. Buhaton, things to do. Naglibog, confused. Silhig is broom. And the last one, chair, is lingkuranan. Mga higala, do you like this kind of video? Please let me know in the chat box. Mga higala, if you want to watch the cleaning session of this studio, please check out the next video. I will put a link. I will put a link where you can watch this. So, daghang salamat mga higala for learning Bisaya with me and for all your support. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye! Amping!